Have you ever considered how your life would change if you had a solid financial plan in place? Just imagine a world where money isn't a source of stress, but a tool for growth and stability. That's the power of financial planning. Now, what is financial planning? It's the process of crafting a roadmap for your money. It's about setting financial goals, both short and long-term, and developing strategies to achieve them. It's not just about saving or investing, it's about making your money work for you in the most effective way possible. Financial planning is like constructing a building. You wouldn't start building without a blueprint, would you? Similarly, you can't expect to effectively manage your finances without a plan. It provides a clear picture of your current financial situation, and it outlines the steps you need to take to reach your financial goals. And the importance of financial planning cannot be overstated. It brings with it a sense of security and peace of mind. Knowing that you have a plan in place to handle your finances can alleviate a lot of stress. It's like having a safety net. If an unexpected expense arises, you're prepared. You have a plan. But it's not just about handling the unexpected, it's also about achieving your dreams. Whether you dream of buying a home, taking a dream vacation, or retiring comfortably, a solid financial plan can help make those dreams a reality. It's about more than just money. It's about living the life you've always imagined. So let's not underestimate the power of financial planning. It's not a luxury but a necessity. It's not something reserved for the wealthy. It's for everyone. Everyone who wants a secure, stress-free future. Everyone who has dreams and goals. Everyone who believes in the power of planning. Indeed, a well-thought-out financial plan can be the key to a stress-free and secure future. So, let's embrace the power of financial planning. Let's take control of our money and our futures. Because with a solid financial plan, you're not just planning your finances, you're planning your life. Now that we understand the importance of financial planning, what are its key components? Well, let's dive in. Financial planning is like building a house. You need a solid foundation and the right materials to construct a sturdy and reliable structure. The same is true for your financial plan. It's built on 4 key building blocks: budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for retirement. Let's begin with budgeting. Budgeting is your financial blueprint. It's all about understanding your income, managing your expenses, and ensuring that you're not spending more than you're earning. It's the tool that helps you keep your financial house in order. Next, we have saving. Think of saving as the bricks in your financial house. It strengthens your financial stability, allowing you to handle unexpected expenses or emergencies without toppling over. Consistent saving also helps you accumulate wealth over time, which brings us to our third building block: investing. Investing is like the cement that binds the bricks together. It's about growing your wealth, not just preserving it. By investing wisely, you can harness the power of compound interest, which Albert Einstein famously called the 8th wonder of the world. Investing allows your money to work for you, potentially earning you more money over time. Finally, we come to retirement planning. This is the roof of your financial house, offering protection and security for your future. It's about making sure that when you're ready to stop working, you have enough money to maintain your lifestyle and cover any potential healthcare costs. Each of these elements is interconnected, and they all play vital roles in building a robust financial plan. They help you manage your money effectively, prepare for the future, and achieve your financial goals. So, the next time you think about your finances, remember these 4 building blocks: budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for retirement. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in creating a comprehensive financial plan that can guide your financial decisions. Scene script. Despite its importance, many people make mistakes when it comes to financial planning. What are these mistakes, and how can we avoid them? The first common mistake is not setting clear financial goals. You wouldn't set out on a journey without a destination in mind, would you? The same applies to your finances. Whether it's saving for retirement, a new home, or simply building an emergency fund, having clear, measurable goals can set you on the right path. The second mistake to watch out for is failing to plan for emergencies. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, health issues arise, jobs are lost. If you don't have an emergency fund in place, such unforeseen events can derail your financial stability. Aim to set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses for these rainy days. The third common pitfall is neglecting to consider inflation. Inflation is the silent thief that erodes the purchasing power of your money over time. When planning for long-term goals like retirement, it's crucial to factor in the impact of inflation. To avoid these mistakes, start by setting clear, measurable financial goals. Next, prioritize building an emergency fund. Lastly, make sure to factor in inflation when planning for the future. By being aware of these common pitfalls, you can make smarter financial decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Financial planning can be complex, but you don't have to navigate it alone. Have you ever considered seeking the help of a financial advisor? These professionals are like the lighthouses in the often stormy sea of finance. They guide us, helping us to avoid the dangerous reefs of poor financial decisions and guide our ship towards the safe harbor of financial security. A financial advisor plays an essential role in creating and implementing a financial plan. They bring their expertise and objectivity to the process, helping you to understand your financial situation, define your financial goals, and craft a plan that aligns with these goals. A financial advisor's expertise extends to areas such as budgeting, investing, insurance, retirement planning, and tax strategies. They can help you to understand the complexities of these areas and make informed decisions. Their objectivity is also crucial. Unlike us, they are not emotionally attached to our money, and can therefore make rational decisions based on facts and analysis. Furthermore, a financial advisor provides ongoing support, monitoring your financial plan, and adjusting it as necessary to account for changes in your life or financial circumstances. They can also educate you on financial matters, empowering you to take control of your financial future. In essence, a financial advisor is a trusted ally in your financial journey, helping you to navigate the complex world of finance and achieve your financial goals. With the right guidance, you can create a financial plan that aligns with your goals and helps secure your financial future.